sitting in the morning sun. I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in, and then I'll watch them roll away again.
We just unboxed our home, or at least some of it. We've gone from having countless unopened boxes to a sea of soggy, useless cardboard mush monsters. Things are coming together nicely though. It's starting to feel like home, and after eating out and having too many questionable croissants, we've finally inaugurated the kitchen by making real food. And when I say we, I mean Amalie.
I put no pressure on. It just goes through like crazy. I can't believe we didn't have these.
The knife is sharper than me.
Yes, which says a lot.
Not really. It's finally weather to sit outside in probably the place where we will be spending most time.
The temperature today is perfect for this. Oh, I forgot to take a spoon for this. Will you pick up the water and a spoon?
The wet water?
The wet water.
I'll get the wet water. We just had these two palm trees planted yesterday when we were back in Funchal. Amalie had cooking experience.
My cooking class.
But also to get a nice shower. Because you probably wondered, hey guys, why have you not used your massive shower? The problem is we haven't had hot water. I know we like ice baths. When we use the rain shower, it has to be warm, nice water, okay? I will not have PTSD associated with our epic shower from the get-go. But yeah, sitting here and when you have this weather, which is 99% of the time, it's just epic.
It's incredible. I'm actually super warm right now. And it is, 18 degrees today or something? But I mean, because of the way this property is, there's sun on it all day.
So there are still quite some things that are missing, including the jacuzzi, which is not completely done. But he's working on it, as you can tell. So once this is heated and fully functional and we have the projector putting our videos on the wall, it's going to be just so epic. You have this button here, you press it and then it starts. Looks so gorgeous.
As you can see, this garden is not done. Our first plateau here, which is our sunset lounge, is not done. We're gonna have grass that's gonna cover the whole area. And then I don't know what's gonna happen with the middle of this lounge. We were thinking about black sand, but then we changed it to white stones. But then we just had the palm trees, which I love because it means that we are closing in on absolutely everything done. And also when they start building this green wall in between our neighbor's house and ours, so we can't see their lounge and their garden, that's gonna be really nice as well. And of course our vegetable garden. I am happy if we have some sort of vegetable by Christmas, because I know these things takes forever, and we haven't planted the seeds, which I said I want to be a part of it because I like it. A lot of greenery is gonna go here. It's not gonna be very tall because we want to see the view, but then it's gonna like build up so that it hides our neighbors. And in night we have this amazing spotlight hitting the trees like if you were at a hotel entrance or something. It's gonna be amazing. But the best part is this part, because this is for our aromatics. We got so many epic things coming here. Kachula, who is doing the garden for us, she brought seeds from exotic chilies. We got sage. We got all the things that I usually can't buy here in Madeira. Sometimes I want to make benes, but I can't buy estragon. It's going to be right there.
So we've talked about how intelligent this house is, but it's also quite a process to fully install and set the whole KNX system up. It's called KNX. I think it's short for connection. You know, one of the things that I love about the buttons here is that each button will have a text associated. So you know, floor lamps or top lamps. Instead of just, you know, in our apartment, it's like, I still don't know where the buttons go.
But it will also be connected to the app, no?
Yeah. You can do it on the app. Everything will be through the phone. The button?
The button.
It's still not installed, the right one, so elevator doesn't work. But to be honest, It's actually the least of our concerns.
Yes.
Because it's not that important since we only have 2 floors.
Yeah. Also here, we are gonna have some greenery installed up here that kind of falls down.
The heat pump is an ambience heat pump. It's very advanced and it takes some time to fully integrate it. It's a lot of engineering to figure out pumps that can deliver the pressure to water when you use it here, but also in the other bathroom. So all these small things, and that's why it takes some time, but good things come to those who wait. But does that mean you can be lazy?
What does that mean?
You know, good things come to those who wait, but does that mean you can just be lazy and sit and do nothing?
I don't think
because
so.
good things will, you know?
In Scandinavia, we sleep with single duvets. And for this this house, I wanted double duvets because it looks better. And actually, it's the best decision ever because Jon and I, we snuggle much more now.
Aww. We have yet to
Have our
enjoy our morning coffee here, but as you can tell, it's pretty biblical.
We could have done it today because today was a sunny morning waking up here. But just tomorrow, maybe? The thing is, once you go downstairs, you don't... Like, you're already in paradise. Like, why would you go back up with your morning coffee?
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm making my coffee. And since I'm making my coffee, I thought, why don't I take the opportunity to share with you guys that we have our own coffee brand coming out right around the corner. So, if you want to get the first taste of our beans, then you should go in the link below where you can sign up. Our coffee is organic, it's fair trade, non-GMO, no mold. Everything is literally perfect for our coffee, and then it tastes like heaven. We've been drinking it for a year now, and I swear no coffee lives up to the standard of these beans. So I'm like...
And we're coffee snobs.
A little bit, yeah. When the warm water works, I will have my morning coffee, then I will go in my morning tub. We still haven't had our first fight here, so I didn't have any reason to make this bed. I bought unnecessary stuff. It's just when you go on a sub's website, when you go on their website and you start looking at the things they have, it's crazy. Smell this.
But guys, do you want to see one of the coolest features?
Oh, we haven't shown yet?
No. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Whoa!
One more time. I was not ready.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And again.
It's mind-blowing. It truly is mind-blowing.
It's incredible. I love this part. I love it. Oh, Lara, do you like it? Go get daddy.
Go get daddy.
Go get daddy.
Go get daddy. No.
Lara, she loves playing around in this house.
Lara doesn't like it because she prefers to poop in front of people. So she wants eye contact.
Oh, Jon. I want that shower, you know.
Yeah, I can smell. Not having warm water has been a consistent challenge. It's actually not that cold. So the first couple of weeks, we were enjoying our villa on and off while the Prometheus team continued to work their magic in completing not only our home, but the 2 other villas. One of our favorite new additions is the Zen garden that complements our giant olive bonsai tree to perfection. What's unusual about this bonsai tree is that it can actually produce olives, so we're quite excited to see when that happens. Perhaps even cooler is that our neighbor's barbecue area received its first trees and plants. This abundance of majestic greenery all around us makes our home feel like a tropical sanctuary, and we have still so many trees and plants to come. We have so much to show that we haven't filmed because our camera broke, but it's finally on its way back from the Canon Hospital in Sweden.
The camera's here.
Yes, hello. Thank you so much. We just spent 650 euros to repair our camera, and because I'm so tired of cameras breaking, I bought something else. It's been over a month.
Yeah. Well,
they haven't repaired it.
What do you mean?
What the fuck? They haven't repaired it. De har ikke lavet det her. Men altså, hvad fanden er det, jeg har betalt for?
Ja, det ved jeg heller ikke.
I'm so over Canon and their expensive cameras. So, bought a gimbal for our iPhone because this right there is more reliable at this point.
Yeah.
I'm so sad right now. I'm so sad. What the f***? Hvad har manden lavet? I will become a TikToker. Look, one click. YouTube mode. TikTok mode. We also had a 2-week vacation in our mother country, Denmark, where my parents' new beach house makes Denmark nicer than ever. But that's a topic for another video. Now we're back and we got big news.
Just to make this dock my home. Now I'm just gonna sit at the dock of a bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm sitting on the dock of a bay, wasting time.
Guys, I just spotted the rare Viking gorilla in the wild. It's currently doing its cleaning ritual as the rain is falling extra heavy at this very moment.
I think this is the greatest feature of the house. My head and shoulders are getting warm water at the same time. It's big enough for both of us.